Fire up the 2400 Bs and the 120-foot Condor. Give me the 80-foot Condor moon bounce. Give me the landscapes. Fire up the avocado movers. And now give me the floor bounce. What separates a good DP from a great DP is how they light night exteriors.
I'm going to take you on a journey where you're going to learn how to light night exteriors Hollywood style and then indie style, where I turn all those lights in the sky off and then we light it from the ground. Come with me and learn how to harness the power of moonlight.
Welcome to the Night Exterior Masterclass.